So in photosynthesis, the Kelvin cycle. Now to make one molecule of glucose that contains 6 carbon atoms, 6 turns of the cycle, Kelvin cycle, are required. 6 turns of the Kelvin cycle, that is a C3 pathway. Okay, to make one molecule of glucose, 6 turns of the cycles are required. Now, how many ATP and NADPH molecules will be required to make one molecule of glucose that contains 6 carbon atoms that requires 6 turns of the Kelvin cycle through the Kelvin pathway? Okay, so in glucose 6 carbon atoms are there, so total fixation of CO2 required is 6, so 6 CO2 is required. Now the outcome is the glucose, one glucose. Now ATP, 18 ATP is required, adenosine triphosphate, that gives us 18 ADP. Now 12 NADPH gives us 12 NADPH is removed, so 12 NADPH gives 12 NADP. So this was about the total turns of the Kelvin cycle, total NADPH and ATP. Now an Kelvin cycle of 3 stages: carboxylation, reduction and regeneration. Carboxylation, reduction and regeneration. You see in here, in reduction process, the fixation of 6 molecules of CO2 and 6 turns of the cycle are required for the formation of one molecule of glucose from the pathway. So 6 molecules of CO2, 6 turns of the cycle, one molecule of glucose is being made under the reduction stage of the Kelvin cycle. Now in this stage, 2 molecules of ATP for phosphorylation and 2 molecules of NADPH for reduction per CO2 molecule fixed. So one CO2 molecule, 2 ATP is needed and 2 NADPH is needed in the reduction process. Remember this. So this was about the reduction stage of the Kelvin cycle. Now for the in the regeneration state, to regenerate the RUBP, ribulose bisphosphate, and that fixes the CO2, it requires 1 ATP. So total 3 ATP, total 3 ATP, 3 into 6, that is 6 turns of the cycle, gives us 18 ATP. So total 18 ATP is needed. So this was about the reduction and regeneration.